Hi, this is Natalie Critchley of nataliecritchley.com in Northern Virginia. Thanks for being here. Before we get started on the question of affiliate marketing versus network marketing, what's best for you? If you'll do me a favor and consider clicking that red subscribe button below so you can catch all the latest videos, and hit the bell so they'll come right into your feed. So let's get started. Affiliate marketing versus network marketing. Full disclosure, I've been in both, and today I am in both for very different reasons, right? But let's go down this list and then we'll talk a little bit more. So affiliate marketing versus network marketing. Network marketing is a little more old school, right? It has been around for years and years and years. There are companies who have made billions and billions of dollars. It's an easy way for somebody to start a part-time business and work from home. That's the plus. Affiliate marketing is fairly new. You know, it became popular when the internet started. It's very easy to become an affiliate marketer. And when I say affiliate marketer, like network marketing, you're selling somebody else's products. But with affiliate market, it's mainly products that are online. You're not storing anything in your garage or your basement. It's online services, education. There are so many different types of affiliate networking in this online business world. It just depends on the product and service you like. So you have old and you have new. Network marketing is more offline. Excuse my chicken scratch, where network marketing is more online. And this is really the big trigger right now, because a lot of people want to try to build a network marketing online, and it's really challenging, because the difference here is in network marketing, you're going to get paid on different levels, right? And that's, if you've ever been in a network marketing, I bring in my friend and my friend brings somebody in and they bring somebody in and they bring somebody, and you're paid multiple levels deep, right? You get paid off other people's efforts, which is fantastic. In affiliate marketing, you're pretty much paid one level, and that's the work you do. So there are benefits to both, right? The trickiest part with the network marketing is it needs to be done correctly, right? I mean, a lot of people really struggle in finding new people to talk to, right? You are, the 3-foot rule, which drives me crazy. I mean, just because you're in line with somebody at the grocery store doesn't mean you should talk about your network marketing business. And I know I'm probably going to get hate mail for that, but you don't know what they're looking for. 97% of the people out there are not looking for a business, right? And that's in anything, especially business owners. They've got businesses. So I think we all need to be real strategic moving forward in how we approach people to talk about our business. It's all about relationship building in both. Both require relationship building. But this 3-foot rule has made it really, really challenging to get rid of the stigma about network marketing. Online, it is open. You can place ads, you can drive traffic, you can be on social media. There are all kinds of ways to meet various people from all over the world and not get in their space and try to sell them or get them into their business opportunity. So both have great value. Great people here, great people here. Great products and services here, great products and services here. I've been in companies in network marketing that have gone bankrupt, right? It happens. It's no different than somebody else in a brick and mortar going bankrupt. Did it piss me off? Yeah, it made me mad. A lot of potential was left on the table, but you move forward. And it took a long time for me to find the opportunity I'm in right now. And I love the product. Just love the product. So, it's you finding something that you're passionate about, you're interested in, whatever that may be, and join it and try it, right? That's what I love about both of these industries, right? They're super popular. They've been around, fairly new. So you get to pick and choose, right? The other thing is, network marketing, because it's been around and some of the stigma it involves, you have to be a little more sensitive with that 3-foot rule. Where online marketing, you're placing ads driving traffic, you're not going to get the pushback right away, right? So, you know, it really just depends on the product and service that you are marketing, right? And I'm going to go into a little bit more about affiliate marketing in another video, because I love the fact that you can go online and total strangers can meet you and join your business, right? So, you know, commissions are paid on both. The one other thing that I want to chat with before we leave here today is the low entry point here. And this is a low to high entry point here. You'll have some products that are a low entry, and then it's a higher product on the back end, which makes an affiliate marketing program really terrific. The low entry in network marketing, it gets a little tricky because you're bringing all different kinds of people in. I mean, you can join some companies for 20 bucks, right? But then 20 bucks, if you don't work it, you don't work it. It becomes a hobby. So, you know, I think the real differentiator here is you have to find what you really like, because they're both great. They both have their positives, they both have their negatives, but you have to find what you're comfortable with. I love both. I love my membership with this network marketing company, and I love the fact that I can drive traffic in my pajamas and make a commission while I'm sleeping from affiliate marketing. And I'm not really having to network offline. I love networking, don't get me wrong. I'm in a couple Chamber of Commerce's, I'm in a couple business referral groups, I'm in 2 masterminds. I love networking, I love the offline piece. But what I've come to find out over the years is I'd rather do it online. You know, most people know what I'm doing, and unless they're ready to do something, they're not gonna join my business, not even my business, get the membership. I mean, you know, when people are ready, they're ready. Again, 97% of the people are not online to buy anything. They're there to be social, or they're looking, right? And they're looking to solve a problem. So if your membership or product in either one of these industries solves that problem, well, then they might be a perfect prospect for you. And that's all this is. It's just looking for people who are right for you and building a relationship. So that's it for right now. I just wanted to share this with you and just give you an idea of both. I get a lot of questions about both. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Leave a comment. Would love to hear pros, cons. You know, if you like both, let me know you like both. You don't have to put your company name in there. I'm not putting my company name in there. So just tell me what you're thinking. Would love to hear. So that's it for now. Thanks so much, and we'll see you on the next video.